Are you from Kolkata? Are you worried and thinking what's going to be the most promising and secure professional career in the year 2023 and 2024? It's artificial intelligence enabled digital marketing skill. Yes, you heard it right. It's AI based digital marketing. Today, more than 10 lakhs job opportunity lying vacant in the industry of digital marketing. Companies from Google, Amazon, Microsoft to the fast moving tech startups to e-commerce startups are hiring for digital marketing roles in each and every capacity. Digital marketing is something that's not only going to open doors to a reputed professional career, but it will also open door to multiple sources of income. You can also start your online business from the comfort of your home. My name is Alok Bhartiya from the coaching team of AADME, that is awarded as the most trusted learning platform for digital marketing in 2023. It's 4.5 months of live class program offers the most advanced, high-tech and cutting-edge global curriculum that best fits to your career growth in 2023 and 2024. No matter at which level of career you are right now, it gives you absolute skyrocket growth guaranteed with its professional course around artificial intelligence based digital marketing and business leadership program. It's the only institution in the country that has the highest success rate and a plethora of success stories. It just not provides a guaranteed paid internship program alongside the course, plus also ensures 100% job assistant facility as well. We are proud to say that we have Asia's #1 faculty team from the industry directly to train you. Plus, it's a live class interactive program that you can directly interact with the trainers face to face. The unlimited doubt clearing facility will help you to access our trainers personally no matter what level of doubt you have. World class learning management system as study material that auto upgrades. That means in future, if anything around technology advancement happens, you get the same curriculum, same tutorial within your learning management system. It has a lifetime mentorship program that will just not help you to kickstart your professional journey, plus it will also help you to start your own online business like freelancing, and who knows that tomorrow you can kickstart your own startup also under our guidance. 7+ international certifications plus 2 academic certifications and an internship experience letter from the most reputed organization under which you are going to do your project. A 2 months of internship that will help you to understand the industry in and out. You get a chance to learn from the industry experts under the project managers, under the editors, under the media buyers, and under the guidance of campaign managers. You are absolutely getting ready for the industry. Still thinking? Click on the link somewhere around the video. Get on a call with our student success manager because the next batch is starting soon. All the best.